All right, so we've got ourselves a random calculator problem. Consider the polynomial function x cubed minus x minus 2x squared plus 2. Which of the following occurs at approximately x equals 0.67? So I'm going to step to the side. I'm going to let the calculator do the job, come back, and see what happens. Okay, so I'm supposed to graph this guy right here. I already typed it in because, saving some time. When I go to graph, it gives me a nice little cubic right there. And I care about what happens at 0.67. Now, at 0.67, I really can't see it that well. So what I can do is I can zoom in by hitting zoom 2, hitting enter, and I can kind of see what happens at 0.67. If that's not good enough for you, you can hit second calc and calculate the value at 0.67. Now, what we see appears to be a change in concavity, which is what happens when I go to the dentist. At 0.67, it looks like an inflection point. So let me answer the question based off of what I see here. So basically what you saw is a picture that looks like this. When we found the value at 0.67, it gave us that which appears to be an inflection point. And in this case, an inflection point takes us from going concave whatever to concave whatever. And in this case, it goes from concave down to concave up. And so that's our guy.